The 12th station. Jesus dies upon the cross. We adore you, O Christ, and we bless you, because by your holy cross you have redeemed the world. A reading from the Gospel according to St. Luke, the 23rd chapter, beginning at the 44th verse. Now it was about the 6th hour, and there was darkness over the whole land until the 9th hour, while the sun's light failed, and the curtain of the temple was torn in two. Then Jesus, calling out with a loud voice, said, Father, into your hands I commend my spirit. And having said this, he breathed his last. Now, when the centurion saw what had taken place, he praised God, saying, Certainly, this man was innocent. It is done. It is accomplished. Jesus has thrown wide the gates of heaven and has bought for us redemption upon the cross. With the crowds gathered there around that majestic but awful piece of wood, with all of creation, we in the 21st century can only stand in awe and in wonder of what he has done for us.